Hello folks, in this video I'd like to follow up the last video my nephew made a Pong game. If you remember, there are three things that he needs to improve. First, give a key for up and down, and then give the starter screen for starting, and what we are doing, why we should put the start screen. So because if we don't put the start screen, then the game suddenly start and we are not ready yet. And also the third is resize window. If you remember last week, uh, I give you a demonstration, then when the game is running, it going full screen and I cannot resize the game based on what I want. And sadly, I don't like that, so I asked him to make improvements, and now here we are. It's done, and I wanna test it. So I have adjusted the recent git commits. So he made two commits here. Update means cpp. What we see here. Okay, he adds the up and down, and then this is the first commit, and then he adjusted now into one. I mean 20, 12, 80, and 720. And also menu screen, it's great. Start game. And then now in main CPP, yeah, we can force CPU. Okay. Country flag. Okay. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Okay, let's running the game. Make. So why we use make? Because it's already run here. This is the make file that used for running the raylib platform. So this project use raylib for make a game. Raylib is the popular library for make a game, especially, but I think it's more than that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, after I run make, it shows the game here. This is the binary file, I guess. So let's see what's going on in game here. Yeah, it's a kind of binary file. I'm not sure. Anyway, no, it's not binary file. It's just a compiled file here. Yeah, things that I understand starting game. Yeah, la la la. Okay, so just running now. Game. Aha! I love it. Start at. I don't want that thing winning, so I try to make it. Oh, oops. I hate it win. Why I never win this game? Okay. At least I made a one score here. I don't want that thing winning. Yes, okay. Let's resize the game. Is it possible? Okay, good. Maybe we can make it pause. Hey, wait. If I resize the game more than this, oh, there's something back here. Yeah, but if he wants to make this serious game, it will generate money, right? Ouch! At least I got 2 point, 2 point, 2 point. I don't want lose here. Okay, I don't want to lose the game. Oh, wait. Why it hang? Oh, why? Oh, I got two now. Perfect. Ah, okay. At least I got 2 point. It's better to put the pause action here, right? Okay, I think that's it.